Did you know that God once buried thousands of people alive for complaining about free food? The Israelites were wandering in the desert, and God was feeding them manna every single day, but they got tired of it. They started whining and complaining, saying they wanted meat instead. So God said, "You want meat? I'll give you meat." Suddenly, massive flocks of quail came flying in from everywhere. The birds covered the ground 3 feet deep. Imagine walking through a sea of dead birds up to your waist. The people went crazy. They gathered quail for days, stuffing their faces with all the meat they could eat. But here's the terrifying part. While the meat was still in their mouths, while they were chewing their very first bites, God struck them down with a deadly plague. Thousands died instantly. Their bodies were buried right there in the desert. The place became known as Kibroth Hatava, which means graves of craving. Sometimes getting exactly what you want becomes your worst nightmare.